June 3rd, 2019. It's 7:20 in the morning, and I'm just making this video to show you guys that they can and do use microwave frequencies to spread out their aerosols and block the sun. And they're doing it right now. They blast the aerosols with microwave frequencies. It spreads out and blots out the sun. You can tell and look for these microwave frequencies in the aerosols when you see the little wave pattern throughout the glob. When you see the little ripple effect wave pattern, you know they're blasting it with microwave frequencies. So that is just another key component to the climate engineering assault is massive amounts of microwave frequencies. Thank you for watching. Please investigate this. Haas out.